Good morning, students. Once again, I'm back with a new topic. Our today's topic is article. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. There are three articles in English language: a, an, and the. These articles are categorized into two different types based on their usage. That is, definite article and indefinite article. Article the comes in the list of definite article as it shows uniqueness or specific thing. Article a and an comes in indefinite article as it does not show any uniqueness or any specific thing. Instead, it shows that the thing is being said in general. Now, how to decide when to use a and when to use an? So children, as you know, there are 26 letters in English language, out of which 5 are vowels and 21 are consonant. If a word is beginning with a vowel sound, that is swar, an is used. And if a word is beginning with a consonant sound, that is vyanjan, a is used. Please note, we have to check the vowel sounds and consonant sounds, not the actual letter. Let's look into the example when we use an before a word. An ant, an enemy, an ice cream, an are. Notice the word are. As H is silent, here R starts with a vowel sound. So, an is used before the word are. Let's look into the example where we use article a before a word. A boy, a horse, a woman, a book. These all starts with a consonant sound. Let's look into words which start with a vowel letter but the starting sound is of consonant. A European, a university, a 1 rupee note. These all words begin with a consonant sound. So, a is used before these words. Children, always remember, when the words begin with swar, you will be using an. When the words begin with vyanjan, you will be using a. Now, let's look into few important usages of article the. The is used to refer to something which has already been mentioned. For example, this is a dog. The dog is brown. You can notice here that we used a for referring to a dog first time, but we use the to refer the dog second time. Next, the is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. For example, my father enjoyed the book you gave him. Which book? The book that you gave him. Here we are very particular about the book. Next one. The is used when a singular noun is used to represent a whole class. The giraffe is the tallest animal. Here we are talking about the whole class of giraffe. So, the is used. Next, the is used before the names of rivers. For example, the Ganga, the Nile. The is used before the names of seas. The Red Sea, the Black Sea. The is used before the names of oceans. For example, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. The is used before the names of gulfs. The Persian Gulf, the Finland Gulf. The is used before the names of mountain ranges. For example, the Himalayas. The is used before the names of groups of islands. For example, the West Indies, the Bahamas. The is used before the names of newspapers. For example, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times. The is used before the names of sacred book or holy books. For example, the Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible. The is used before the names of musical instruments. For example, the guitar, the violin. The is used before the names of direction. The east, the west, the north, the south. The is used before the names of races. For example, the Hindus, the Muslims. The is used before the ordinal numbers. For example, the first addition, the second row. The is used before the superlative degree. For example, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. The is used before a noun which refer only one thing of its kind or the object that are unique. For example, the earth, the moon, the sun, etc. The is used before the names of inhabitants of a country. For example, the English defeated the French. The is used before the names of monuments. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower. The is used to indicate an important position. For example, the Prime Minister, the President. We can use the if a country has a political title in its name. For example, the United States of America, the United Kingdom. The is used with the name of canals. For example, the Panama Canal. The is used with the name of scientific invention. For example, the telephone, the internet, the telescope. The is used with some time expression. For example, the morning, the evening, the past, the present, the future. The is used with some words referring to nature or environment. For example, the weather, the mountain, the town. The is used with the names of body parts, especially when something bad has happened. For example, in the eye, in the nose. The is used with the family names. For example, the Parkers are coming for dinner tonight. The Robinson family. The is used with the names of desert. For example, the Sahara Desert. Now, let us see when not to use any article. Do not use any article before the names of continents, countries, person, months, streets, days of the week. Do not use any article before the names of metals. For example, gold is very costly. Do not use any article before the names of languages. For example, Marathi is a difficult language. Do not use any article before the names of relatives. For example, father has gone out. Do not use any article before the names of foods and festivals. For example, we celebrate Holi in the month of March. Do not use articles before the names of games. For example, baseball is famous in USA. Do not use the before the names of academic subjects. For example, mathematics, biology, science, etc. So now it's time for a quiz to see if you can use articles correctly. On the screen, you can see fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Let's try to solve it. First one. The newspaper team would have dash editor. An editor, because the word editor begins with the sound of a vowel, that is sound of a swar. Second one, dash lion is dash king of beast. The lion is the king of beasts. Here we are talking about the whole class of lion. Next one. Dash man you met yesterday in Dash Park is my uncle. The man, the park. Here, listener already knew what you're talking about. Fourth one. Give me dash stone and dash apple. What is the answer? A stone and an apple, because the word stone begins with the sound of a consonant, that is the sound of a vyanjan. Apple begins with the sound of a vowel, that is sound of a swar. Next one. She was shocked to hear dash news that dash ship had sunk in dash Indian Ocean. So what will be the answer? The news, the ship, the Indian Ocean. Here, the news, the ship. We are very particular about our topic. The Indian Ocean. You know the rule. We use the before the name of oceans. Sixth one. English is dash easy language. An easy, because the word begins with the sound of a vowel, that is sound of a swar. Next one. Dash Bay of Bengal lies in dash west of India. So the answer is the Bay of Bengal lies in the west of India. You know the rule. The Bay of Bengal, because Bay of Bengal is the largest bay in the world, and we use the before the names of direction. So the Bay of Bengal lies in the west of India. Next one. It is dash nice morning. Let us go for dash walk. So what will be the answer? A. Correct. It is a nice morning. Let us go for a walk. Nice. The word nice begins with the sound of a consonant. Walk also begins with the sound of a consonant. So the answer is it is a nice morning. Let us go for a walk. Ninth one. My mother is dash honest woman. So what will be the answer? An honest, because H is silent and the word begins with the sound of a vowel, that is sound of a swar. 10th one. Why are you reading dash book? What is the answer? A book. Because we are talking in general, we are not specific. Now the remaining one is your homework. Try to solve by yourself. Here I would like to conclude my session. See you soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe.